Hey guys, it's early, super early. It's 8:43, not super early, but I'm up and I wanted to show y'all a hair tutorial. But I'm trying to work on the lighting because this sun's not gonna stay here forever. Just kidding, the sun might stay here, but the lighting might waver throughout the video. Just FYI. Pretty much what I got going on is I'm trying to do a cute, quick updo, okay? So, like, my hair is just in two buns right now. Here, let me show you. The hair is in two separate buns right now, okay? And then the inspiration photo is this. I don't know if this is a good angle or not. Okay, this right here might be a better setup. But please ignore the background. With the inspiration photo, the idea is that you still have two buns and then you have the two braids in the front. So the front two pieces, and basically your hair is like in four is what it looks like. So the front two pieces are going to be braided up, and then because my hair is longer, I'm not going to leave them out because they're probably going to be like down here instead of like cute by my chin. So I'll either double them up, like fold them up, or wrap them around the bun, but like a bang still, if that makes sense, depending on how long they are.
In this section, I'm literally trying to make my parts perfect, like split down the middle perfect, first of all. And it's a struggle, but hey, when you do it yourself, you can do it.
Okay, so you guys probably noticed that I keep stopping and splitting my hair. It's because I started with hair that I washed and didn't put anything in. I do not recommend doing that. Please don't do that. I was just being very lazy, and you see now I'm suffering the consequences, and it's not fun because now each individual strand I'm working with is actually knotted up. It's not the end of the world, but it's still very difficult to work with if I'm trying to achieve a look. It's actually taking more of my time because it's knotted, and I didn't care to separate it the way I was supposed to. Um, as you can see, so much of my hair is coming out, which is not a bad thing. It's just you wouldn't have this much. I don't know if this is considered breakage. It might be considered breakage, but I wouldn't have so much of it if I actually separated my hair and had combed it out when I had washed it. I just literally took out my braids and washed it. And it felt like it was fine. And then I realized your hair wasn't straight, girly pop. Your hair was braided when it was curly. I braided my hair when it was curly. So, even more reason to comb it through instead of like just washing it through. If I had straightened my hair before braiding it, I could have just gotten away with washing it through because it's straight. Do you get what I'm saying? Either way, never hurts to like comb through your hair a little bit. Now, I know you're like, I can totally just comb it right now with this. No. No, not at all. I believe a wide tooth comb or even just the unbrush or like a Denman brush is perfect for right now, but none of those items are in front of me. But you see the sections where it's dry, and I'm opening my hair, and this is why you need to section your hair, because if you just gloss it over, you're gonna run into issues. Now, I've always kind of been like a bit lazy with my hair growing up. I know when I've done a good job. Trust and believe. I know when I've done a good job. But this time around is a little different because, like I said, I washed without putting anything in it for one, and I did not section my hair enough to be able to like maintain my hair and keep it detangled, basically. I'm not sure why my voice is doing this right now. I'm fine. I'm not sick. But hey, guess my voice wanted to go away for a second. But yeah, it doesn't gotta be perfect because the idea is the look that I'm going for is literally a bun, which you're about to see what I'm gonna do. But just wanted to clarify what in the world I was doing, because it's like, okay, is this part of the tutorial? No, it's not. This is just me dealing with the consequences of my lack of effort. On to the tutorial.
As you can see, I was able to achieve splitting my hair into 4 parts, kind of like how the inspiration photo shows. I'm splitting the sections for the braids and just braiding each section that had the braided part. Now, this is a cuter style for short hair, but it is still work for long hair. Also, halfway through working on my hair, I realized the inspiration photo called for puffy ponytails, not buns. But since my hair was already pretty damp, it wasn't gonna fluff up the way it was originally unless it dried. So I decided to stick with the buns and just wear that for the day. However, you could still just work with the puffs, like section it, work by putting in the puffs for the 2 back parts, and then the 2 front parts you can still braid down, of course.
I don't know if this is a good angle that y'all can see anymore. In the middle of doing my hair, I stabbed my finger like really bad. It's a new moon. It's new moon season. Be careful of sharp objects, but be careful of sharp objects in any new moon season. Thanks. This broken clip, I was trying to squeeze it, and of course, because it's broken and pointy, I stabbed myself, but it was like a really deep stab. My finger wouldn't stop bleeding, and it's like really annoying. Because I literally have to go to work right after this. Right after I'm done with this braid, which I did kind of whack, but it's okay. This hairstyle is probably going to stay in like maybe 3 days max. Who knows? I probably end up taking it out anyhow, but we'll see.
20 degrees,
but yeah,
no problem, boy.
This is pretty much
Sunwash
it.
should dissipate in
Like
a few days.
everything that I just pretty much
everything
did
turned
right now
out perfect.
is it. When it comes to this jump. When it comes to this hairstyle, that's all.
Leaping electrons! Goddard, what's the temperature?
Now, I don't know if I want to mess with the clip because it's kind of holding my bun in place, but
Must have made a
this is it. The sun is gone though. Like it's literally gone, but this is the hairstyle. I hope you guys like it. I don't know if I did it. And it doesn't look exactly like the picture, but this is the idea, okay? Like, can we, a round of applause? This is the hairstyle. I hope you guys love it. And I hope my part is straight, because I still haven't seen the back.